Furnace brazing is the most commonly used production brazing technique. As the name suggests, the process is carried out in a furnace with assembled components cleaned, preloaded with filler metal in or at the joints, and then fixtured for proper positioning during brazing. Both batch and continuous conveyor furnaces are used for brazing. Batch brazing operations use retorts or cold wall vacuum furnaces. Prepared assemblies are stacked on trays, loaded into the furnace, and then brought to temperature, brazing all assemblies at the same time. Batch brazing furnaces are commonly used to join assemblies having complex joint designs. Continuous brazing uses a conveyor belt or rolls to take the assemblies through the brazing furnace. These furnaces have multiple zones for preheating the assemblies, high heat brazing, and cool down. Continuous conveyor brazing is used for high production runs, typically on small parts with simple joint designs.